Get your presentation on. Get your presentation on.
Hi, this is Judd with Presenter Media. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a presentation using the AI presentation builder on Presenter Media. And if you're just discovering Presenter Media, your web page may look like this. And this is the home page for Presenter Media. Just click on AI Presentation Maker, that orange card, and get to this screen. I'm signed in right now, so on my dashboard, I'm just going to click Create an AI Presentation. And I'll talk about this AI presentation wizard at the end, but right now I'm just going to click Close. And once I click Close, I want to go to the filters over on the right hand side and click on graphics. So these are some new graphic slides that have design elements on them, so like pencils, education icons, and Apple stuff that's more geared towards school. So, and since this is for teachers, we'll go with these slides right here. I'm going to do a presentation about the American Revolution. So since you can only add 5 slides if you're just trying out Presenter Media and not on the unlimited plan. So I'm just going to start adding slides here until I get to 5. So the cause of the American Revolution. I'm going to do what was the American Revolution, and let's see, potential causes. So I'm just clicking on these thumbnail slides to add them in over here. We'll do like 3 points. I'm almost to my max here. I'm going to delete that one out by just clicking the delete button right here. And I'm going to add another slide here and call this review questions. And I'm just going to add just one of these question slides here. Over on the right hand side where the filters are, you can click on quiz and then uncheck graphics, and you can see that there's a bunch of quiz slides to choose from here. Some that have pictures, some that are just questions. All right, so I got my quiz slide here, and I'm going to put in here, let's just see what AI comes up with. If I don't put anything, AI will just create its own thing. And I'm going to also change the theme colors up in the top and select a theme. That looks good. I actually have a theme up here saved in my presets, but to create this theme, you just can click on the different swatch little circles here and change the color. Looks good. Change the color. Okay, once I have that looks good. I'm going to click out of that and choose image style. I don't have any images in this presentation. If I added this this question slide right here, I could generate images for this if I wanted to, and I'll just add that in here. It's 6 slides, so you won't be able to add this slide unless you add it instead of that slide. Okay, so I'm gonna select from choose image style, stock images, and click build presentation preview. And I'll be back in just 1 second as AI thinks about these slides and comes back with the information. Okay, I'm back and my previews have been built, and you can see that it came back with the title slide and what was the American Revolution, and it talks about what it is. I noticed if you click generate again, you might get a little bit more information, so you can always regenerate slides if you're not sure you like what it says on there or wanted to say it in a different way. You can see it comes back with a little bit more information on that slide. Okay, so I got my review questions underneath here as well. Which of these was the main cause of the war? And it tells you A is the right answer. Of course, you would delete that off your slide before you show your class so they don't know the right answer. And then the last one is the picture slide. So which shows the Boston Tea Party, and it shows the correct answer is A. Again, you delete that off. And then right here, you won't get this if you're just kind of discovering and trying out Presenter Media, not on the unlimited plan, but you can generate images to go into these spots. But you could try out how these are replaced by clicking on Unsplash and typing in some information here to see if you can find an image to load into there. You also won't be able to do uploads because you don't have any cloud storage, as you're not signed up, and has not been created for you. So just keep that in mind as you make these slides. So let's see, I'll show you how this works here. I can delete some of this text out of here. Depiction of college dumping tea for the American Revolution. So I add there we go. American Revolution to the end, so it kind of gives AI a little more context of what the image should look like. All right, and that should build a new image there. Okay. It's images processing here, so we're just going to wait for a second. All right, there it is. They're dumping tea into the bay where all the ships are. That looks good. The next one is a peaceful gathering in town square during the American Revolution. So again, just giving the image prompt a little more context of what that looks good, of what AI should build. Painting not depicting the Boston Tea Party. So yeah, not the best prompt. You could just put in let's see, actually I'm going to just copy and paste from the top, depiction of colonists sitting talking during the American Revolution. Build that one, and once that's done, I think I'm ready to go and download my presentation. So go up to File, Download, and click on Download PPTX. And it'll prepare your template to be downloaded, and it's ready to go. I'm going to download that to my computer. If you're signed up with the unlimited plan, you can click on View My Media because your cloud storage has been created, and My Media is where all your customizable designs and presentations go to live after you create them. And you can, it'll be saved in here where you can download it or click Edit if you want to redo something, or save it for later and come back to this and redo slides and download it again. Okay, that looks good. Again, I've downloaded this. I'm going to go to, well, it looks like I already have it open, but I'll show you here just in a second. Get to where I need to go. Okay, so when you go to Google Slides, you'll see something like this, and it'll say blank presentation. So just click blank presentation, and then go underneath File and go to Open. And then over here on the right-hand side, just click Upload, Browse, and then find where you saved that presentation to your computer. And that's, I believe that's the one, and I'll open that. And then once it opens, it will display all the slides. You might have to make some minor adjustments if there's some text that needs to be resized. I think, oh, there, that looks good. Maybe move it around if it's positioned just a little off. And now I have my slides inside Google Slides, and if I play through this slideshow, you can see that this all plays fine and good and ready to present to your class. View the questions and display the right question, and again with this one, display the right answer for the picture. All right, that looks good. And of course you want to delete out what the correct answer is. And then if you're in PowerPoint, you'll want to go to File, open, browse, and then click on the file to open, and then click on enable editing right there. And you can be ready to show this in PowerPoint if you use PowerPoint in your school lessons, or if you use Google Slides. So thanks for following along this video. Again, if you're just discovering Presenter Media, go ahead and go on to the website and click. Oh, here I was going to talk about the AI presentation wizard. So this is just a assistant where you can put in what you want your presentation be about, and how many slides you want to start with, and the design flow. So well, curved flow would be more curved edges and diagonals and linear. You can choose which one you want and let AI pick your slides. So about dogs. So just to show you really quick. I'm going to do that. It's going to think about this again, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and it's given me outlines for each one of these slides. And you can click on this little arrow up here, and you can see that it kind of looks similar to how it did before. It gives you kind of an outline. Underneath will automatically give you a outline for that slide. You can click and edit if you want to, or you can just click build presentation, and it will build the presentation about dogs. My presentation to quickly show you. As this builds, I'll be right back and I'll show you the preview. Okay, I am back, and you can see that it built all those slides for me and ready to go. I'm not signed into my unlimited plan. I'm actually just using Presenter Media without signed in. So yes, you have to upgrade to unlimited to generate images for this, but you can definitely use the images here to add a image of a dog that way. So go ahead and start making some presentations that way using the assistant as well, getting familiar with that. And if I go back here, you can explore any of these creative tools like the AI Maker, Presentation Maker, or customizable graphics that allow you to change text on a graphic, or calendars. Over here, create calendars, or you can edit videos, or you can create word clouds. There's just different possibilities to make some amazing graphics. So why don't you go ahead and get started with those. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you on the next video I come out with. If you like this video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos that come out. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.
Presenter Media. Let your presentation up, better, faster.